Hello everyone, welcome back to Harumitra Geologist. Today we are out on another exciting rock hunting adventure. Right in front of us we have a collection of interesting rocks collected from the field. Some are smooth and rounded, some are white and quartz rich, and one of them has a beautiful red color that immediately catches the eye. Rock hunting is more than just collecting stones. Every rock tells a story about Earth's history. These rocks may have traveled through rivers, weathered for thousands of years, or formed deep beneath the surface before eventually reaching us. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, share, and comment if you enjoy geology, minerals, crystals, and rock hunting adventures. Let's take a closer look at these specimens. The first thing we notice is the variety of colors. We can see brown rocks, white rocks, and a bright red rock in the center. Different colors often indicate different mineral compositions. The white rock appears to be rich in quartz. Quartz is one of the most common minerals found on Earth. It is hard, durable, and resistant to weathering. Because of these properties, quartz often survives long journeys in rivers and streams. Next, we have several smooth brown rocks. Their rounded shape suggests they may have been transported by water for a long period. As rocks roll along riverbeds, sharp edges gradually wear away, creating smooth surfaces like the ones we see here. Now let's focus on the red rock. This is probably the most eye-catching specimen in today's collection. The red color may be caused by iron oxide minerals. Iron-rich rocks often develop red, orange, or reddish-brown shades due to oxidation. One of the exciting parts of rock hunting is identifying minerals and learning how they formed. Sometimes a simple-looking rock can contain fascinating geological information. When geologists examine rocks, they often look at several features: color hardness, texture grain, size, luster, fracture patterns. These clues help determine the rock's identity and origin. Many beginners think valuable minerals always sparkle. In reality, some important geological specimens may look ordinary at first glance. Careful observation is the key to successful rock hunting. The rocks in this collection show signs of natural weathering. Weathering is the process that breaks down rocks over time through water, wind, temperature changes, and chemical reactions. Over thousands or even millions of years, weathering transforms large rock formations into smaller fragments. These fragments may then be carried by rivers and deposited in new locations. This is one reason why riverbanks and gravel deposits are excellent places for rock hunting. Water naturally sorts and concentrates interesting stones and minerals. When searching for rocks in the field, always pay attention to unusual colors and textures. A bright red rock, a translucent quartz piece, or a rock with visible crystal structures may deserve a closer look. Safety is also important during rock hunting adventures. Always wear proper footwear, carry drinking water, and be careful around steep slopes and riverbanks. Many geological discoveries start with simple curiosity. A person picks up an unusual stone and begins asking questions. What is it made of? How did it form? Where did it come from? These questions lead us deeper into the fascinating world of geology. The white quartz-rich specimens in this collection likely formed under conditions very different from those of the rounded river stones. Each rock has followed its own geological journey before arriving here today. The red specimen is particularly interesting because iron-rich rocks often indicate specific environmental conditions during formation. Further examination could reveal even more details about its geological history. For rock hunters, every outing is like a treasure hunt. Sometimes the treasure is a beautiful crystal, sometimes it is a colorful mineral specimen, and sometimes it is simply the knowledge gained from exploring nature. The best part of geology is that the Earth itself becomes an open book. Mountains, rivers, valleys, and rocks all contain clues about the planet's past. As we continue our rock hunting adventures, we will explore more locations, discover new minerals, and learn more about the incredible processes that shape our world. Thank you for joining me on this rock hunting journey. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Your support helps the channel grow and allows us to bring more geology and rock hunting content to you. This is Harumitra Geologist, signing off until the next adventure. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep discovering the treasures beneath our feet. Rock hounding is an adventure fascinating world earth minerals beneath our feet. Adventurous walk into a search for natural treasures. Every landscape has its own geological story, and every rock you pick up has been shaped by millions of years of Earth's history. What may seem like a simple stone at first glance can sometimes reveal colorful minerals, sparkling crystals, or fascinating patterns created deep beneath the Earth's surface. The beauty of rock hounding is that no two adventures are ever the same. One day you may explore a quiet riverbank, while another day you might hike through rocky hills or mountain trails. Each location offers different types of rocks and minerals, making every trip exciting and full of surprises. Many of the world's most beautiful minerals began forming under intense heat and pressure. As mountains rose, volcanoes erupted, and rivers carved their paths across the land, these minerals slowly became exposed. Today, patient collectors can discover these hidden treasures simply by observing the ground carefully and knowing where to look. Quartz is one of the most common minerals found by rockhounds, but common does not mean boring. Quartz can appear clear, white, smoky, pink, or even purple depending on the minerals present during its formation. Agates attract collectors because of their colorful bands, while jasper is admired for its rich natural patterns and vibrant colors. One of the most exciting moments in rock hounding comes when an ordinary-looking rock reveals something extraordinary. Sometimes a rough stone hides tiny sparkling crystals inside. Other times, weathered rocks display beautiful mineral veins that have remained hidden for thousands or even millions of years. Observation is one of the most important skills for any collector. Looking closely at the texture, color, weight, and shine of a rock can provide clues about what it contains. Taking your time often leads to better discoveries than simply collecting every stone you see. Rock hounding also teaches respect for nature. Responsible collectors leave the environment clean, avoid disturbing wildlife, and only collect where it is permitted. Preserving natural locations ensures that future generations can enjoy the same adventures and discoveries. Keeping a collection is another enjoyable part of the hobby. Every specimen reminds you of the place where it was found and the journey that led to its discovery. Over time, a collection becomes a personal geological museum filled with memories and unique natural treasures. Weather can also influence your success. After heavy rain, fresh rocks are often exposed and their colors become brighter, making interesting specimens easier to spot. Riverbanks and gravel bars can change with the seasons, creating new opportunities for exciting finds. The more you learn about geology, the easier it becomes to recognize promising locations. Understanding how different rocks form helps collectors predict where crystals and minerals may be hiding. Every outing becomes both an adventure and an opportunity to learn something new about our incredible planet. Rock hounding is a hobby that rewards patience, curiosity, and careful observation. Whether you discover a small quartz crystal, a colorful piece of jasper, or simply enjoy exploring nature, every trip offers valuable experience and unforgettable memories. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop looking beneath your feet. The next amazing discovery could be waiting just a few steps away. If you enjoy videos about rocks, minerals, crystals, and geological adventures, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more exciting rock hounding adventures. Deep beneath the surface of our planet, powerful geological forces are constantly shaping the Earth. Mountains rise, volcanoes erupt, earthquakes shake the ground, and minerals form through processes that have been occurring for billions of years. Earth science helps us understand these incredible natural events and reveals how valuable minerals such as gold, iron, quartz, and gemstones are created deep underground. Volcanoes are among the most powerful geological features on Earth. When magma rises from deep within the mantle, it carries heat, gases, and dissolved minerals toward the surface. As magma cools, different minerals crystallize and form various types of igneous rocks. Many important mineral deposits are connected to ancient volcanic activity. Hot fluids rich in metals travel through cracks and fractures in rocks. Over time, these fluids cool and leave behind valuable minerals, including gold, silver, copper, and iron-rich deposits. Earthquakes also play a significant role in geology. They occur when tectonic plates move and release enormous